role of AI in education.
Yeah.
We need to come up with some exciting, the tagline, empowering teachers. I also want to add parents, because teachers alone will not be able to do the magic. Because in the education ecosystem, anyway, even if teachers does that, then students, if they don't realize and go hand in hand, anyway, there is opportunity for everybody. It is raining for everybody. Why not give it to the students, parents, everybody? Parents can also learn skill of their choice. Student can learn. So it's useful. So interestingly, the pictures what you see today, they're all generated by AI.
Yeah.
So here, just as a placeholder, since I have been playing around with general AI while I was with Infi last 4 or 5 years, I have been spending time on Python, TensorFlow, with all those packages. So with object detection, face detection, all those things. Very interesting field. Even during COVID, I tried mask detection, distance between people. Now, how the auto-driven car works. All those come under general AI, because there you have to give enough data, labeled data. Means you have to tell this is Apple, this is cat, this is Kiran, this is Vish. Like that, you have to give thousands of images, labeled data. Then it will actually learn, yes, a cat has to look like that, Apple has to look like that. Even if you give another variation, it will come back and tell, yes, it's 99%, it looks like Apple.
Yeah.
So that comes under general AI. Generative AI, anyway, it learns from the text, images, music, and it creates completely new.
Yeah.
Whereas general AI comes and tells you what is available, already known to us, whereas here it totally creates new. Every time it goes back to the server, brings the new thing as per the context given.
Got it.
In education, so this is and broadly, these are the 3 buckets in which it will impact, even though there are many. So if I, to ensure that we don't overwhelm the audience, I have limited to these 3.
Yeah.
Enhanced lesson planning, automated assessments, personalized learning experience. Yes, anybody, even in fact, yesterday when we were discussing, we were also looking at how differently able students also can benefit. Hearing impaired, visually impaired, dyslexic, all those things we can put the context and it can generate the content. Now going ahead, we only get to benefit. Now Google is coming up with fantastic video-based, means they can generate video, very, very realistic. Google View 2, I will send some demos. You cannot differentiate. Like you are seeing me, no? It can generate a person very, very realistically, fully created by LLM. Okay. So assessment is a boon. So Khan Academy was a proponent of flipping the school, no? At that time, we know the theory. Yes, you can flip the school, come to the school, solve only the questions, assessments, learn at home. Now, where do you get the questions? Now, you have an infinite source of questions to be created at the level you want. Okay. Of course, enhanced lesson planning is for the teachers, so that's benefit. Now, instead of going through only slides, why not we try audiopen.ai? Did you try after I told?
I tried. Amazing. I tried. That's incredible. I mean, it just eliminated all the noise and it simply gave me the text.
Yeah. So now you know the power. And interestingly, it need not have to be structured talk also. Even if you speak in an unstructured way, it will bring structure to it. So it's a fantastic, that's to demonstrate, because usually what will happen, whoever sees all these slide decks for the first time, they think it's not for us. It might be too technical. But when they actually touch and feel these tools, then they will realize how easy it is. By any chance, did you try napkin.ai?
No.
Let me give the demo. Napkin.ai.
You just hold for a second, okay?
Yeah, don't worry. I will bring it up by the time. You tell me when you are ready.
Hello. Sorry, Kiran. I will not get any more calls. Don't worry.
No problem.
This was from the chairman, so I picked it up.
Okay. So, yeah, let me just share my screen on generative AI.
Hmm.
Okay, now, yeah, this is napkin.ai. In the meantime, if you want to type in your screen, you can.
Napkin.ai. Okay.
You can see on my screen, no? Napkin.ai.
Yeah.
So now it will again, as of now, it's free. So make best use of it as long as it's free. Even otherwise, I'm sure they will have some Janta plan which will help you to generate few images per day. But if you see the value, I think it's worth subscribing it for it as an institute so that your institute can benefit. Now I will just randomly get some text, okay? Then you can see the power. I have a contract, legal contract. Okay. Now you can see how beautifully you can model your legal contract. So we'll just remove this agreement. Some title I'll give. I'll just paste.
Mm.
Now you can see the AI, this thing coming up. Now let's click on this and see what magic it does. Surprising, it should not have taken so much time.
You have pasted from the legal document, correct?
I have another document open. I just
Hmm.
copied and pasted it. Generate. No, there is some issue here. It should not. Let me try again. What is the issue? Let me see. Since it is being recorded, is it not willing? I'll try another laptop where I'm not running any recording. Right. It's bringing in another machine. Anyway, I will try once more. No. Yeah, I will share from the other machine. Just give me a second. Yeah, here it is working. Resume presenting. Okay, where is napkin? Here it is. Now, introduction to generative AI, key discussion points. Okay. This is also pasted from another document which I created today morning. Now, I'll just click on this blue button and you can see the magic. So it generated some 20 odd styles. You can go and choose what appropriate and what you like. Let me get this. Look at this. This seems, I like this. You can also choose. There are 20 more. And you can ask, generate some more.
Oh, it is generating the picture, is it?
It generated the picture based on the bullets on the top. And it has also brought in, look at the icons. Ethical standard consideration, it has brought in a scale.
Correct.
Challenges, it brought in a puzzle. So it is using its own common sense to bring appropriate icon. Color also, it will be in the same palette. And appropriate headings it has given. And these headings are also not standard. For some, depending on the picture, it will also have, look at this. It has elaborated a bit. So like this, you have many choices. And if you are not happy, you can go down and say generate more.
There was a similar plugin with Microsoft Office, if you recall.
No, there it will bring a superset. It is all pre-created. Whereas here, based on the context, it generates. Even though these diagrams are pre-created, but it will bring in icon differently.
Is it editable?
Yes, it is editable.
Oh, wonderful.
Means, if, for example, if I choose this, okay, then click on this, then it will here an icon will come. It will allow you to change the color. It will allow you to change the text, add the text, and also you can basically draw a doodle. So all the pictures it gives. Then you can save it, export it as a PNG or PDF or SVG. So
wow.
So suddenly the entire PDF PPT which I am using to demonstrate to you. So I generated using this tool only.
This is napkin.ai, correct?
This is napkin.ai. So now let's go back to the deck. So then menti.com is used like Kahoot, like audience poll.
Correct.
Now they have brought in generative AI there also.
Wow.
So what you have to do is just give one line, what session is yours. That's it. If you are taking a session on personality development or poverty eradication in India, it will give its own questions about poverty in India.
Could you show me that?
Yeah. It's called mentimeter.com.
Yeah. I've used, by the way, Mentimeter.
Okay. Just go to home. Then start with AI. Use this option. Sorry, let it come. Poverty survey. This one. One is new Menti. You can start where you can do traditionally, like how you do PPT. Instead, you do start with AI. Okay. Change the settings. Okay. All this it's asking.
Where do you see that? Start with AI.
Okay. Here on the top, you're seeing.
No, you go to mentimeter.com, right? And
you also go share your screen. No? I will guide you.
Create a quiz, is it?
No, you can create whatever you want. Survey, you can create some 3-4 options it gives.
Oh, I can't share my screen.
Because I am sharing, that's why I will stop. Then you can share. 1 second. Yeah, try now.
No.
Hold on. You must join. Send reaction, host management. Share the screen is on. Hold on. Let me do it once again. Turn it off. Turn it on. Yeah, try now.
No. I can't.
What does it say?
No, that present itself is blurred out.
Probably if your institute doesn't allow you to share.
Wait, let me get into my hotspot. Just give me a second. No, still I can't.
It's surprising because here I am using 2 Google IDs of me. That means technically 3 of us are in the call. So it has allowed my other ID. Anyway, what you are looking for, tell me, I will guide you where it is available.
No, you go to do one thing. You go to that website first. You share your screen.
Yeah. Share the window. What is that?
You share your screen and then navigate.
Okay, let's see. Share screen. Entire screen. Yeah, tell me, what do you want?
So you navigate from the beginning.
Okay. I will be in google.com first.
Yeah.
So I'll just type instead of Google on the top, I will type mentimeter.com.
Okay.
So then I will go to home. Now, by default, it is assuming I am a participant in a quiz. So I will click on go to home.
Wait. Go to home. Okay.
Now it will take me to home where I get the option to edit.
Oh.
Here there's new Menti, start with AI, import presentation. Let me first try new Menti. Let's see what, there also it should give this one. Let's see. Start from scratch. Okay, here it is not giving the AI option. So if you want to use AI option, just use the other one. That start with AI. Okay. So it is asking me to change the setting. Let me give the workplace name. Workplace name, it is Kiran University. Save the name.
What is the difference between new Menti and start with AI?
You will see in a minute. New Menti, you have to do all the work yourself. Gen AI, you just upload it. Okay. Menti Lite. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I think, consumed my points. Let's see. AI tools. Yeah, it is forcing me to upgrade. I don't want to upgrade. It allowed me to do in the free version. Okay. Since you have not used it probably, or let me just log in with my another ID. Let me log out. Let me log in. Okay. Start with AI. Tell us what you want to tell, and we will create a first draft. Tell me, what do you want? What quiz you want?
Oh yeah, this is incredible.
Tell me, no?
I've already generated
India,
one.
poverty in the world, poverty in India.
Try that.
What topic you want? What topic you tried?
No, I tried. Give me people who joined in the last 1 month.
What is
And
that?
you choose the parameters. Oh God! Unfortunately, I can't share the screen. Otherwise, I'll show you. I would have shown you. I've already created it.
Yeah. Now you see the power of generative AI in any education. Okay. So
yeah, but my question is, how do you port it to the survey tool?
No, it is the survey tool. No. Mentimeter is the survey tool. You don't need any other tool.
Acha, you need to. Okay, got it.
Now we can play the quiz now. Start editing. I don't need to edit. I will just start. Go ahead. I can directly go ahead and present. Okay.
I need to add people to.
Don't have to add anything. Now you just go to Menti. Let's play. Just go to menti.com and use the code on the top.
Menti.com and?
Just go to menti.com on your mobile phone, no? On your personal mobile.
Oh, and use the code at the top. Okay, and then start taking the survey.
No. It's live, like Kaun Banega Crorepati. We'll play together. I will also come in.
Huh?
I will also come in. We will play.
Yeah. So wait a
The
minute.
audience poll.
73990145.
No. 8653. That's your. You play mine. No, what I am displaying.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, what's your code?
8653. You can see it on the screen. 8653 52679.
8653.
5279. So you will see like this.
Yeah, done.
So just give thumbs up. Then once I start here, yes, two of us are
I'll see
in.
that live.
Now I will. I am seeing, since I am the presenter, I am seeing next slide button. Once I click next slide, you will see introduction to the quiz. Okay.
Got it.
Basically, before this, it also gives me option to change the text, change the picture, do whatever I want.
Got it. Try mine. Use my code 73990145.
1 second. Tell me 73.
7399 0145.
Yeah. I mean, welcome to the new joiners experience survey.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Objective is to survey, gather feedback and insight from new joiners. Okay, what was your initial impression of the company? You are not controlling it, is it?
No, I'm not controlling. I'm just leaving it.
That means you have allowed me to advance myself.
Yeah.
Basically, it will be fun, no? You can administer in your classroom. Then you control so that everybody will get the same time. Then there will be a gamification, no?
Where do you set that up?
Basically, I saw in the by default slide. Let me see. Anyway, let me just. Yeah, here it is allowing me to navigate. Hold on. Yeah, why not you play mine? You use my code. Let's see, experience this.
Got it. Got it.
So
Now
now
you are controlling.
So quiz question
Yeah,
multiple.
but where do you set that up? I don't know.
No, I didn't. By default, it takes this mode. I didn't do anything. Anyway, I will go back and tell you where you can change. So next slide means, yeah, two players ready. Now, once I press enter key, the questions will come. Answer fast. We'll get more points. So whoever answers fast will get more points.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now, if if you have answered first, then you will get correct answer. Otherwise, you will say it will tell you incorrect. So like that, it will go on.
Yeah.
So like fully like Kaun Banega Crorepati style. At the end, it will also tell who is the leader. Who is number one, number two, like the top 10, it will show. Okay. So it's very, very popular tool.
Yeah. It has the integration with Microsoft PowerPoint also.
Yeah. So one catch is, as you saw, the paid version will be quite expensive.
Yeah.
So instead, I have an alternative. If not for anyway, if you Google Slides has got a lot of plugins,
Okay.
so you can use that, and that's free.
Oh, is it?
But Google probably now they also would have brought Gen AI. Even if they have not brought in Gen AI, then you can use ChatGPT to generate questions and take that and paste it in Google
You
Slides.
mean in the Google Docs, is it?
Google Docs, there are 4 components, no? Each one for Word, PPT, Excel. Slides is the PowerPoint equivalent.
Got it.
So that.
So let's move on.
So let's go ahead. So we saw Mentimeter. Now let's enjoy the website. Okay? How easy to create a website. So now the tool which you are seeing is Cursor AI. Okay. So don't worry about the code. This is fully generated code. I did not type even a single word in the code, but I was giving the English prompts, as you can see on the right. Let me tell you the last prompt which I gave.
Show me the prompt.
Yeah, anyway, I will type the prompt. For example, here I have given make it scroll continuously. Anyway, first I will show you the website. Then we will.
Show me the website that you have created.
Yeah, this is the website I have created.
Oh, wow, okay. Incredible.
Now look at the menu. I have generated the menu also. All are live. Okay. Then and I will come and show you the one of the things. And you can scroll down, and each of these types is also live. And look at this marquee bar which is running. That is also fully created, and you can change the text like this by giving English. And here again the text, everything I took it from Vijaya's website. I did not copy anything. Then if you want to learn more, I have brought in YouTube video of Vijaya website which is already existing. Then what sets it apart, everything it has generated. Okay. Then I have created one YouTube video. Whatever I am telling you, that I have put it on YouTube, which I am brought it here. This is active learning. And here, look at this. I have created one more scrolling, this one, media section. Okay. This, if you remember, I don't know if you were there. This is Annasandrapalya near airport, HL airport, where we did this Raspberry Pi.
Got it.
Okay. So similarly, I have created further pages. Get to know us page. You can see your friend teaching Vijaya College students. And this is fully responsive. It will neatly fold. Anyway, this is all again from their website is brought in what all. And everything structuring neatly, making it pleasing, font, spacing, everything it has taken care. Now I will show you how responsive it is. If it is in the mobile phone, it neatly folds. Everything automatically taken care. Now I have also loaded on my basically this is also running. If you see here, it is running on this website on locally as well as on this IP address again on my home network. Now I have logged in on my mobile. You can see it. Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. Now let me show you the prompt. Now
where did you change that prompt?
Yeah, here it is at the bottom where you are seeing. I'm going to tell change the title. Oh, sorry, I'm using different keyboard. You're able to see, right? And change the title to what's your university? Vidya Vikas, right?
Yeah.
Vidya Vikas Group Institution of Technology, or what is it?
Yeah, that's fine. Nobody has to.
That's it. Now it will. You can see it generating the code. After it generates, it waits for me to review it, and if I am happy, I can click apply.
It is writing in Python, is it?
It's React code.
Oh, React.
React.
Wow.
And it is running on the node.js. And whatever HTML, CSS it will create. Now I have to click on, as you can see, let me bring that.
Wait.
You can see it's still Vijaya Group. As soon as I click apply, it will immediately change. Or if you want a dramatic effect, I will keep my mobile on.
No, Kiran. My question is, you also have a choice to choose the language, is it? React, Node.js, Python.
No, you don't. Then different tools, they have their own preferences in which they have created. Okay. So yeah, backend, that's the advantage, means that is the advantage they provide. That's the value which they add.
Okay.
Why do you care what it has been built?
I really don't care. Unless I'm just looking at the portability, right?
Yeah, this is
I'm
fully
trying to
portable.
think.
No, this is fully portable. I'm using
Yes,
Apple
it is
Mac.
portable. It is portable.
The same
React also is open source.
on Windows machine.
Even React is also open source, right?
Yeah. All JavaScripts, it will run on all platforms. They're all part of JavaScript only. React.js, Node.js, HTML, CSS is fully portable code.
And operating system agnostic, is it? iOS.
Yeah. True.
This is incredible,
Yeah. Okay.
Is there future for computer science students then?
Yeah. You brought in a good point. Now Vishwanath Belliyappa can code in React. Right?
Sorry?
From 5:30 today onwards, Vishwanath Belliyappa can create React.js websites.
Yeah, correct.
That means it's so easy to get going. That means you don't have to be a coder. Now I will tell you the difference. Okay. So this code we have, if you don't know what is React, you have no head or tail of what it has done. Right? In case if your today cursor.ai is in safe hands, if somebody wants to create a havoc, it's very easy to introduce a malicious code, all right, which if you don't review it, it can start sending information about your employees, their numbers, at least the name, email ID, phone number, as easy as that. So one is security. You cannot blindly generate and put it in your corporate website. Another is this, what it does. But today, if you look at this website, there is no transaction involved, right? This is pure content display, and content display is not rocket science, and we don't need basically computer science engineers to create these websites. However sleek it might look, professional it might look, but it is easy. With a template you should be able to do it. Now
but Kiran, I have a counter question. Okay. Let us say if 80% of the development is done by non-computer science engineers, all I need is these 20% experts. If you have a team size of 10,
If
I
me
need
and
only
you think, do you think Infosys CEO is not thinking? Yes, it's already happening.
correct. That is one. That is
Ah.
one. Okay. The second thing is you spoke about the security issue.
Ah.
I will again use the AI engine itself to bring in the security features within the
Yeah,
code.
means they will go out of business as soon as the first thing gets reported anywhere in any corner in the world. Okay, that, and there are enough tools in the market which is sniff and figure it out. What I meant is, because of the cost consideration, now today there are 30,000 AI tools in the market on internet. So if somebody decides based on, because it's cheaper to go for this, it's cheaper to go for open source. Okay, if they decide actually without, it's easy for, especially these educational institutes are not as tech savvy as corporates, no, IT companies. Then what happens? So they're usually all these people who own these education institutes, invariably it's all real estate agents or politicians. They think, let's cut the costs. So if it is free and anyway it's only, it's not our core this thing. Yeah, create using website open source if they say. So again, that itself can cause a brand image issue if that gets hacked and suddenly some orbit video starts playing on your website.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Let's move on. Got it.
Now I will tell you where exactly. Once transaction comes in, then these tools cannot do this your core business transactions, because, and no company also would like to feed their business secret to any of these engines, however safe they are.
Got it.
So in that way, you will need experts who will maintain it.
Again, depends, Kiran.
Hmm.
Depends. Look, look at the migration from the on-premise to cloud world, right? All had the apprehension.
No, now also non-core will go in, because startups, why do you have to pay for any? For example, now that I have shown you this demo, if you want to enhance your Vidya Vikas Group's website, you also have an idea now, right? Why do you go and pay
Correct.
lakhs of rupees to some company?
Correct.
So yes, that is why I'm so excited about this outcome. I also never coded React.js in my entire career. Look at it now, how confidently I am showing the demo. So like that, it is empowering people to get going, to leverage the benefits AI is providing.
And the other point you mentioned, right now, this particular website that we generated is very static, right? Yeah, but that small little editing that we can do it to make it dynamic. Once
No, it is there. Sorry. It's already there. Fully functional websites also it is capable of generating. You can actually, the other demo which I saw, it generates this whatever we book Oyo. What is that called? Bread and breakfast, no? B&B, Airbnb.
OYO rooms.
Airbnb like of sites, 100% including booking option. You can actually create and upload and deploy also, deploy on internet, where immediately you can pick your mobile and start booking. So like that, they are able to integrate, including database, backend, all those things. They are able to.
And at the most, what they need to bring in is maybe that 132-bit encryption.
Yeah. Means people are moving in this way. Even traditionally, whatever other providers who are creating website, like Wix was very popular, WordPress was popular. Everybody has brought in generative AI into their offering. Name any product, they have brought in generative AI, be it Photoshop, be it anything.
Got it.
So now, again, mantra is, if you don't get onto this bandwagon, you will be left out. After 6 months, everybody will be on generative AI. Then you will feel like basically.
Agreed.
Let's move on. Okay. Now let's come to the ethical concerns. We can as we saw, we can create website, we can create courses, we can write books, we can publish research papers, we can create podcasts, everything, right? So it has also learned from whatever. So as long as it means if you are doing as a part of an institute, you have to declare, yes, we are leveraging AI in our workflow. And of course, wherever you are climbing, that it's your paper, it's professional, ethical to announce that, yes, for this part, I have leveraged AI. For example, I cannot go and claim that I created this website, no? So attribution has.
Yeah, but I have a counter view on that.
Heavy.
It's little philosophical, okay? Because it is right now everything is translational, so I can bring in the philosophical angle also, correct? For the AI world, we talk about ethics and data privacy concerns. Now the question is, if you peel the onion, data privacy. Now, if everybody is going merry-go-round and everybody is trying to bring in the transparency, where is the topic of discussion for data privacy?
Yeah, it is not. But being a responsible citizen, let's start promoting it when we are enabling our own teachers, parents, and students. Otherwise, we are giving everybody an option to copy, no?
Yeah, but please understand, we have reached the tipping point where it's like the it is like, the flood. To some extent, you can control. Beyond a point, what
I'm not telling you control. I'm not telling you control. For example, if you are representing your institute and you are recommending this to your head of institute, let's do it. So you also cannot ignore these two aspects. Okay, what will happen is, anyway, now there are tools to identify how much of plagiarism has happened in this document, how much AI has contributed. Okay, so
it is there. There are umpteen number of tools.
So AI tool itself will figure out what percentage is coming from AI. So like this, then your credibility also will be a question. If suddenly you start applying for patents, so far you have not done anything, suddenly everybody will see. Okay, anyway, these are the challenges which we need to address. It will keep coming, because then what happens? What about if students also start compromising, then where is the learning? No. Now today I can get away. For example, this document which I have shared with you, it looks so professional. I know I am not capable of writing that English. If I don't learn.
No, again, look, here is where the world is heading, right? Now, let me take a different example. Another 10 years, your child or grandchildren won't drive, correct? It's all autonomous cars.
They won't drive. They won't even write a proper grammatically correct.
Right. Now, so the need for learning driving itself is redundant. No, I'm coming from that angle. Now, the same thing happens to the LLM, where Kiran and Vish need not know anything about LLM. It will drive on its own.
Yeah, that's true. No. What I meant is, if we ignore the value system part of it, then what happens? They will also become robots. Then they will live by the day.
No, that is where the concept of singularity is coming into picture, right? See, if you look at the AI, there are 3 layers today. Okay. One is that we are talking about LLM. Second is AGI, right? Artificial General Intelligence.
Yeah.
Which means to say, the same LLM is used to probably clone Kiran And instead of Kiran, the original Kiran, the clone Kiran will do the demo to me, and I will not even know. That is AGI, correct?
Yeah.
That is the second stage.
Hmm.
Now, what is the third stage? Third stage is I just shut up and listen to AI and just follow its instruction, which is singularity, where the human intelligence becomes secondary or tertiary, and AI intelligence becomes primary.
I got your point. Now, let's see, despite these enhanced technological improvements or this AI improvements, look at the problems around the world. No, poverty will be there, violence will be there, right? Pollution will be there.
Yeah.
Then AI cannot solve by itself. No, it's human beings who have to apply. If everybody becomes selfish, if everybody stops learning because AI will do the job, then who will implement?
Don't know. See, that is where I am again coming from. You don't know. There may be an
No,
AI.
we have to know. Otherwise, in our own lifetime, we will be doomed. No, not even our children's generation.
Yeah, we will debate. I have, I don't want to hijack your presentation. You will debate. I have an answer for that also.
Okay.
Okay. Before I lose my train of thoughts, have you read this book by Dr. Suleiman from DeepMind?
No, now that you have told that, I will read it.
The Future Wave?
No, I have not.
Please read, or otherwise I'll gift you.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah,
Okay,
please.
Can you type in?
Autograph.
Can you type in The Future Wave by Dr. Suleiman?
Yeah, I'll do that. Future Wave.
Sorry, not Future Wave, Coming Wave.
No, anyway.
And he has some brilliant use cases on HR as well. That is what intrigued me.
Yeah, got it.
This one, okay?
This
is a must buy. Or if you are in Amazon Audible, you don't buy, you listen to that.
Okay, wonderful. Sure, we'll do that. It went to Amazon.com.
What?
It went to Amazon, US Amazon. Why not? Why it even there? Amazon. Login. Coming wave. Okay, I will get it.
Can you get that?
Yeah.
He talks about two major players in AI world, okay? One is this whole AGI. That is what I was referring to. The other one is the synthetic biology. The whole stuff around gene editing, etc. But maybe I will take you through another day. I don't want to hijack your presentation. You continue.
Yeah.
I'll also talk about few HR use cases when I talk about it.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So these are the AI tools which I recommend to the teachers. Interestingly, Khan Academy has come up with a LLM called tutor.ai.
Seriously? What is their tool?
This is called tutor.ai. Tutor AI, it is part of ChatGPT, by the way. Let me just go to ChatGPT. So this is where your observation power also you have to enhance. Because observation power. Morning you or afternoon you exclaim that you didn't see the plus here.
I know.
Now I'm going to, then you will do the same thing when I show you where is this Khan Academy's tutor AI. Okay. I need maths tutor. I'm just to make it dramatic, I'm doing this. Okay. Then you click on ChatGPT here. On the top. Let me see why it's not. Sorry. Here you're seeing this. icon on the left top corner.
Yeah.
There.
What
There,
is it doing?
there you see on Tutor Me.
Ooh. That's from Khan Academy, is it?
Before it was not there. Since I'm using it has come, you have to click on this Explore GPTs. You will see this.
No, is it a plugin from Khan
No,
Academy?
it is GPTs, various GPTs, other GPTs. See, look at this.
Oh.
How many GPTs are you can access through Chat GPT? Okay. So now let me show you the power of Tutor Me. Look at this. Your personal AI tutor by Khan Academy.
Wow.
Okay. Even if you ask, okay, it won't give you the solution to the problem. It will tell you. Okay. It will tell you like a teacher. Here is the next step. What would you like to practice? Let's say differentiation. So as soon as I say that, it will start asking, find the derivative of this. Okay. See, it did not give me answer. It is nudging me to try it. So I will say, I will factorize it first.
Okay.
Like how and I can even talk to it, by the way. And need not try. So you can see it's good thinking like that. It will, like a teacher. So like that, it will, you can continue solving it until you find the solution.
Wait a minute. Where did you find that tutor?
On the left side, you see my screen, no?
Yeah, but I need to type in, give me tutor.ai.
No. Don't do anything. I will guide you. On the left, is the left sidebar open?
Yeah,
Like this?
explore GPTs.
Click on Explore GPTs. There you search for Tutor Me. That's it. Search GPTs there, no? Just type for Tutor Me.
Tutor Me.
Tutor Me.
Wow.
Select that.
It will tutor on anything, is it?
These academic subjects like science, maths, political science, are interesting subjects for the students. Very powerful. If there are younger audience, even engineering students also should use it, but they have ego issues. They will not use it. They will directly go to answers. So that's very powerful. Let me move on.
Okay.
So Tutor Me provides interactive and personalized education. Then Gemini, have you? Okay. Notebook LM, if you are not used, probably we may have to spend another half an hour. Anyway, I will just show you. It's very, very powerful. It's by Google.
Which one?
At the bottom, what you are seeing, Notebook LM. On my slide, you are seeing the Notebook LM.
Yeah.
So I will show you a quick demo of Notebook LM. I will then tell you what all benefits of it. Then DALI and Photopea, it creates.
What is Notebook LM, by the way?
Okay, since you asked, let me go there.
Till you set it up, can I go to low and come?
Yeah. It takes 30 seconds for me. Take your time.
Yeah, Kiran, I'm back.
Yeah. So Notebook LM is by Google. They have done one very, very smart thing. So Notebook LM is how you have to type. Notebook LM. Then it will
Where do
bring
I need to type that?
in your URL, notebooklm.google. You are seeing on my screen, no? Which I have typed.
Yeah.
So anyway, just see the features, then you can try. I will just log in because I have subscribed to this, so it is very interesting. See, it will allow you to create notebooks. I have grouped my topics. For example, you are writing a book, you create a notebook. Or as you can see, Creative AI, I have created every Sundays now I started a brainstorming session.
Create a first book, okay.
Okay.
I need to just type in create, is it?
No. Create new is there. No, that's it. See
Yeah,
the screen.
create new.
Click on create new. It will tell you what you want to do. Okay. Now let me show you what I have already done. For example, I'll tell you what I did for engineering physics. Production to teachers.
What is that? Add a source?
Yeah. Let me show you creating the new books. You will understand. So add a source. No, let me explain first. Just listen to the demo first, then you will see what I have done. So let's see Python. I'm teaching this school students Python. No? So I clicked on the add source and I just uploaded 3 PDFs of their own Python book. I downloaded that CBSE Python book. It's freely you can download. And I extracted 3 chapters from that and I uploaded those PDFs here as source. You can upload up to 50 sources. It could be PDF, JPEG, JPEG, no. Videos, website link. So these, they will say, for example, as soon as you create as PDF, text, markdown, audio, etc., video, etc. Then Google Drive, entire whatever Google allows, then website link, YouTube, copied text. You can just paste the text also. So like this, 50 sources you can upload. Then the magic starts. You can choose what source you want it to work on. For example, I can choose only the first PDF or all the 3. Because anyway, it will allow you to create any number of books, notebooks. So you can usually you will logically group. For example, let's say you are writing a book. Then you have your own handwritten notes, which is scanned, your own audio, you have YouTube video, whatever source, entire thing, you are not uploading anywhere. It's still with you. because it's your login. So now you can type here what you want. Okay. Give me a short summary of what topic. Give me just a short summary and you can see what it does. Then you can refine it like how you do with ChatGPT. Okay, it will immediately give you. It is Gemini which is acting now. Okay. So look at this. It already gave me short summary from all the 3 books, logically relevant, without any overlaps. It will give me summary. You can just copy or export PDF, whatever you want. And you can see it has also given some basically additional things, introduction to Python, etc. Yeah, basically these numbers you can just over get it. On the top, already it has given the summary. As soon as you upload the summary, no, it will tell what you have done this, what you have uploaded. It has read all these things. And if you click each of them, it will tell you what exactly, actually, if you look at each of these PDFs individually, it's a typical scan of the textbook. But look at the way it is giving you, like as if a teacher is neatly summarizing and telling you. As soon as you click, and look at these keywords it has brought in. Okay, so
only thing we can use it for training, etc., but we cannot publish it because it comes as a plagiarized, right?
No. What if it is your own handwritten books? No, this PDF. In this case, I have used published textbook, but you have, when you are writing book, then you will upload your material, no?
Yeah.
Because I was showing this to one of my relative. He's a professor of physics in engineering college. He's writing a book on physics. So this suddenly becomes so useful, right? You don't need any assistants. You don't need any content writers, right? So then here you can save the note. You can add the note. You can give an audio overview. It will generate an audio overview for you. Then briefing doc it creates. Okay. And look at on the right side. It's very powerful. It will create immediately a podcast on this.
Yeah. Or we can upload some PDF and you give a very personalized prompt.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So it will generate a PDF which is not plagiarized.
No. Don't worry about that. First, let's appreciate the capability. Then those value system and all that riders will bring in.
Yeah.
Okay. That anyway you can control it. So yeah, it is the same way how even when you write the books, you won't invent from air, right? You also will read some books. You will take this chapter from this concept.
Absolutely. We will anyway give the references.
So that's how it works. Then this podcast is too good, actually. You should create a podcast to really believe it. It's very professional. And
how does it create a podcast?
Here on the see, I'm just already created it. I'm asking it to load. Now you can see it. Sorry, I think I have to play here only so that you can listen to it. Then I will show another magic where it will become so interactive. For example, about same Python sessions only, I told the prompt, personalized prompt, telling I'm doing it for Kuruburahalli High School. You can see that.
Yeah, what is two host English only deep dive conversation?
No. That as of now, it supports only English because it's a podcast.
Yeah, but what is the two people?
Yeah, you'll see. No, listen to it. I have done it already. So now I'll play. You can see how magical it looks.
Hey everyone, and welcome to The Deep Dive. Today we're going to be doing something super cool.
Yeah.
We're going deep into the world of programming.
All right.
And get this, we're making this deep dive especially for all you amazing high school students here in Kurubarahalli, Bengaluru.
Very cool.
We know you're just starting out with programming and might be learning English too. Okay. So we're going to keep things nice and simple.
You're able to hear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at the magic. I am going to interject and ask a question.
Absolutely.
So think about it like this.
Okay.
Programming is like given instructions, right?
Okay, I'm now playing. I will join.
Hey, everyone, and welcome. Hey there. Want to share your thoughts on this?
I am new to coding. Is this podcast will help me to understand Python?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think it will.
We're designing this whole thing just for you.
Yeah, and others just starting out like you.
So I think we're going to start super.
Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Yeah, what is data type in Python? Especially, I've heard something about float. What is float?
Ooh, great question.
Yeah, really important one.
Okay, so data types.
Yeah.
Think of them like labels
Yeah, totally.
for different kinds of information.
So look at how dramatic it looks. Means even though I have not given any material on what the questions I'm asking, it will still take the question, it will answer. Or it will say it is not basically addressed in the provided document. Or since it is Python, it's a generic thing. Anyway, it will answer because that's a common language. Even though it's not part of the material, it will answer. But if you take your own topic, then it will stop answering. It will say the author has not addressed this. Very professionally, it does. As you saw, even though I intervened, it looked as if it has been pre-recorded with that question. Okay. So
Got it.
that's then look at other tools, what it is providing. You can create a study guide, you can create FAQ, you can provide timeline, briefing doc, all these things under single interface.
Incredible.
Okay. Now there is another fantastic options from Google. It's called AI Studio. This is another offering from them. So now
AI Studio.
AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. So anyway, since I'm recording, I will provide you this video. Even if you miss taking a note, it will be covered. And of course, our voice summary also will come in. Then you can take our voice. I will provide you that also. Put it into the same Google LM. Then ask whatever questions you want to ask about what we spoke about. Then it will pick only that. What did Kiran talk about building a website? What tool did he use? You just ask like that. Then you need not to go through video up to the last 1.5 hours. Cool, right?
Yeah. Why don't we? I mean, this is incredible. Why don't we start a podcast series between I and you?
Sure. We can.
Huh?
Yeah, the actual human to human, right? Not the AI generated.
Human to human.
Yeah, we can.
Various, all we need to do is choose a topic.
Yes.
And debate a bit little around what should be the content. Stage the questions. Of course, the questions I should know, but that is what all the podcast does. Huh?
Yeah, that's true.
And I'll blurt out the answer.
Yeah.
Then use all these AI tools to knock it off.
Yes. You can. Then look at the power. No, that's the beauty. Even if somebody asks questions which is not staged, then also it will answer.
Yeah.
So now another experiment, what I'm trying is, now as you saw, this accent, everything is American accent, no?
Yeah.
So I'm now, whatever experiment, anyway, I'm not sure how successful I will be. I want to replace that. Imagine if that gentleman's voice is replaced by my voice. It is possible. There are tools available to extract only that man's voice and put your voice. So that the lady who is asking questions, she can continue to ask questions. Then you can, as a SME, you can answer. Okay, now let me show about AI Studio. How cool it is. So
AI Studio, is it?
it's called AI Studio. And let me tell you the amazing power of this AI Studio. Now you have no idea how to use whatever tool I demonstrated, right? Since this is the first time you are seeing, all you have to do is open that window in another For example, cursor. Yeah, you don't know how to use it. Okay, now look at the magic this will do. I am going to share my entire screen and to tell. Now I can start talking to AI Studio. Let me see if it allows you, because since Google Meet is already using camera and microphone, let me see that, whether it will also allow. Cool, it is allowing. So I'm going to share the screen.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Hi, I want to know how to use Cursor AI. Can you guide me?
Sure, I see you're on the Google AI Studio page. Could you tell me which part of the interface you'd like to know about in relation to Cursor AI?
How do I install Cursor AI?
Okay, I see you're on a Google search page. To install Cursor AI, you might want to search for Cursor AI Download and visit their official website. Would you like me to help you with that search, or would you like to try it yourself?
Let me try first. Cursor.ai
Okay.
or Cursor AI?
Okay, I see you've typed Cursor in the search bar. Are you looking for Cursor.ai or something else?
What should I type? Cursor.ai or Cursor space AI?
Typing Cursor AI should take you directly to their website. However, if you're just exploring options, Cursor AI will bring up more results related to Cursor AI. Do you have a preference?
No, let me find out. Cursor
Okay,
AI.
I see.
No, I did not get Cursor AI. Let me just hold on. Cursor AI.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
this
it
one.
seems like you're now typing cursor.com in the search bar.
No,
Is
no,
that
no.
correct?
No, I got it now. You see, Cursor, the AI code editor. This is the one, right? Are you able to see my screen?
Okay, I see. Yes, I see. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, now what do I do? Yeah, I have opened the AI code editor.
Okay, I see you've opened the Cursor AI website, which shows the AI code editor. Are you planning to download it now?
Yes, I want to download. What should I do?
Okay, to download it, you can click on the Download for macOS or All Downloads button that is visible on the screen. Would you like me to guide you through the download process?
No, I think that's good for now. I understood how this works, so I will come back. So you got it, right?
Yeah,
So powerful, no?
incredible.
I got fourth person into the call, and I was interrupting whenever I had a question. Look at it. I saved each and every conversation I had. I can play. What question did I ask?
This is the Google Note Taker, is it?
No. This is AI Studio.
Oh, this is for recording the.
No. It is like a techie next to you. For example, now you don't know how to use Cursor AI, right? What will you do? You will call me. Instead of calling me, you can call AI Studio Google. So it is like much more than Kiran helping you. So you can keep asking these questions. So it will keep guiding you. For example, if there is any error, it will also tell you what is that error and what is the solution.
So this is going to wipe out YouTube content providers.
Yes. That's what it. Look at it. What all jobs it is going to displace. That means you don't need any more. You need not to subscribe to any Coursera or anything to know how to use a tool. Coursera has all these basic 101 series courses. No, now everybody, not just Coursera, everybody has to give it free. Nobody is going to buy it.
Good. Kiran,
Yes, sir.
I think we should have these sessions weekly once.
Yeah.
I will somehow find time.
Uh-huh.
I think there's a lot I can discuss also.
Yes. Sure.
One good thing I've done is I've been very up to date with AI. Okay? Particularly read at least half a dozen books.
Wonderful.
And one book I have told you what it is.
Ah,
This is another book. One of the authors is Eric Schmidt.
The Age of AI. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It's again a beautiful book.
Wonderful.
So this is another book you should. This is a must read.
Yeah. I think that habit I have left out. Now I have to pick that habit, reading the books.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And we should connect. Probably we should calendarize something and we should connect.
Yes, definitely. Now that I have so much of time at hand,
Yeah.
I think I also would like to productively get engaged, so which we can together make a huge difference.
Yeah.
So, what do you think the relevance of? Why is it still presenting?
Relevance of?
Relevance for your institute, taking it en masse to your fellow professors, lecturers.
Yeah, I mean, the relevance for the institution is integrate AI in imparting education to students. As
Yeah,
simple as right?
That's true.
Now,
But it can't happen like by itself, no, unless
no, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen itself. I think what is needed is there has to be a small toolkit kind of thing that needs to be developed. Okay. For example, I deliver a session and 1 hour the session is recorded and quickly the session should give you some 20 quiz questions to students. And all the students should be able to answer the 20 questions.
Yeah.
That's the best recap that we can think of.
True.
Meaning 45 minutes of session and another 5 minutes to generate the audio and feed into the AI engine.
Yeah.
And ask it to develop some 20 questions, quiz questions, with say 3 options or 2 options or 4 options.
Yeah.
And allow students to take the survey.
True.
So they learn it.
Yeah.
And particularly it helps the slow learners. That's one use case I can think of, right?
Yeah. True. Even fast learners, they can go to the next level wherever they are, right? Suddenly now you see, I was not thinking of writing a book. So I was comfortable in talking, creating a YouTube video. But now look at it. Suddenly options has opened up.
What is that website? Google Notebook? No. Google LLM.
Notebook LM.
Notebook LM. Okay.
Notebook LM.
Yeah. Notebook LM. Correct.
So, yeah, combination of Notebook LM and ChatGPT itself gives you a tremendous potential. Whatever you want to do, whether you want to write a book, create a very meaningful video. So, that means still SMEs will not go out of business. SMEs will be required, right? Otherwise, if you just generate a content, it will be boring. In 5 minutes, I can only make out who has created this, right? With the kind of examples, even if you read, for example, today I'm going to generate a summary. You can really make out the kind of examples what we took, the kind of the words we used for conversation. So that makes it large. It's relevant to our context. So that can come in by the deep expertise of the SMEs.
Yeah.
So that will still be there. So we need not have to worry that our jobs is at stake. So actually, our jobs we can only enhance by leveraging the power of this.
Yeah.
So that confidence we should give it to our fellow teachers who are not as tech savvy as us or as smart as us, so that they should not think that their job is at stake.
That is true. That is true. That is true. But I'll tell you, Kiran, partially the job is at stake because to use the technology and to impart the education, there is that minimum threshold of knowledge the faculties need to have.
Yeah, true. No, anyway, so far what was happening was it was not coming to the light forefront. They could hide. Now it will immediately, they will get exposed.
Yes, they'll get exposed.
Yeah.
And Google can give you the content, etc., etc. But let us say you completed your PhD at the age of 27 and you have been lagging around without actually upgrading the your technical expertise or domain expertise.
Yeah.
At the age of 25, you cannot, 35, after 10 years of that lethargy, you cannot start all over again because you cannot catch up with the knowledge again.
Yeah. True.
That is going to happen.
Yeah. So you should preserve whatever your core competency and you should focus on that to keep enhancing. For example, you are a mathematics lecturer, then you figure out what is the delta which I don't know, and you should go and acquire that. Otherwise, you should sit on your own laurels that whatever I learned 50 years ago, it will come to my rescue, then they will be in trouble.
Yeah. When do we connect next?
You tell me, no, I have more free time.
Good. I'll think and get back to you. But let us do, at least in the beginning, let us do one session a week.
Yeah.
Then we'll see how it goes.
Yes, sure, definitely. And
but
this Sundays 10:30, I am getting people like you to brainstorm.
Yeah.
So if you want to join, I can extend the invite.
Please.
Sunday 10:30, about half an hour, because I want to start my 11 o'clock session. So 10:30 to 11, we can have our brainstorming. So
yes,
whatever you have tried or whatever you are.
Yeah.
For example, I am trying on this voice cloning. I will share what the progress I made and pros and cons of it. Then you will also get up to date on what's happening because that is a bit of technical. It will Unix knowledge, etc. So, but you can use immediately what I try out, like how I tried the Notebook LM or the AI Studio. Now you can really use it. So it's basically exchanging the notes. Then 11 o'clock onwards, I want to engage with the students and the parents. So that let them also, like otherwise what is happening on WhatsApp, there is too much of misinformation and everybody thinks, including all my relatives, no, everybody thinks it's a shortcut. Google is a ChatGPT is a shortcut. So I want to educate them the power of this prompts and why they should start from the beginning. Otherwise, look at it. Who is the competition for engineering students now? A BA graduate is the competition. So don't do anything. This is what will happen. They think my son got 100% score. For what? What will 100% get you? It won't get anything. Right? So that I think that's a very gap which we need to address, which parents can take it easily.
Good, Kiran. Even I'll also start thinking how it has come to a different perspective. Let's explore more. Okay.
Have a wonderful evening.
Lovely. Yeah.